Hello friends, welcome to my channel Samarah World. Friends, today our topic is plants and plants part. Let's start. A plant's body is mainly divided into two parts, roots and shoot. Root, the part of a plant under the ground, is called root. Types of roots. In a plant, there are two types of roots. They are tap roots and fibrous root. A tap root is a main root that goes in the soil. This is called a tap root. Many small roots grow from the tap root. For example, rose, carrot, radish and mustard have tap root. Fibrous root. Fibrous root are the number of thin and small size roots that grows from the end of the stem like grass, rice, onion, etc. Function of roots. Roots have many functions. They hold the plants firmly in the soil. They absorb water and minerals from the soil. Plants like sweet potato, turnip, carrot and radish store food in them. We eat them as a food. The part of plants that grows above the ground is called shoot. Different types of shoot. Stem. Stem is the main part of shoot. It bears or holds branches. Different plants have different types of stems. Trees like neem, they have woody, strong and thick stem. This is called a trunk. Banana plant has soft, thick and green stem. Herb, climber and creeper have tender stems. Plants like money plant, mint and pumpkin, these are examples of stems. Function of the stems. Stems has many functions. It holds the plants upright and gives the support. It bears branches, leaves, fruits and flowers. It carries water and minerals from the roots to all the plant. It stores foods like ginger and onion. Branches grow out from the main stem. Branch. Branches grow out from the main stem. Leaf, bud and flower grow on these branches. Leaf. Leaf is the most important part of a plant. It is called a food factory of the plant. It prepares food for the plant. Flowers. Most of plants bear some flowers. These are most beautiful parts of plants. Flowers are of different size, shape and colors. Some of them have a sweet fragrance like rose and jasmine, etc. Their bright color attract butterflies and other insects. Function of the flower. They help in reproduction because they reproduce flowers and seeds. They reproduce fruits and seeds. They are used in decorations. They are used to make perfumes. They have nectar is used by honeybees to make honey. Birds. Birds are the part of shoot which flowers develop. Fruits and seeds. Fruits grow out from the flower. Fruits contain seeds. They store fruit in them. Some fruits have only one seed in them, like cherry and etc. Some fruits have many seeds, like guava. Some fruits, like banana and pineapple, have no seeds. Function of fruits and seeds. Fruits protect seeds inside them. A seed grows into a new plant. When sown in the soil, every seed has a baby plant inside it. When the seed gets sunlight, water and air, the baby plant starts growing. This process is called germination of seed. Seed of some plants like wheat and rice are used as food. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.